Oh, hello. I'm Iron Man, and I'm here to save the day. And, well, if you must know, I had a crazy week, and I'm kind of upset about that. But anyways, I'm here to save the day! Woohoo! And I hear trouble ahead. Well, not really. I'm just pretending. Okay, where is the trouble? Dun 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 dun. Oh, hello, birds. Hello, birds. Remember me? Yeah, it's me, Iron Man. Yeah, it's me. Anyways, yeah, I'm the guy who disturbs you a lot. I'm the guy who always scares you. Can't wait to take you out of the cage. Or to pull the cage, or the door. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm saying random stuff. But anyways, hello, birdies. Hello, hello. Huh. I know I'll touch their, like, house or something. Boop. Oh, oh. I just forgot I have a fear of birds. But I'm pretending to like them for no reason. So, I'm out of here. What did you say? You said you love me. Well, that's hard to explain. Now I know what the feeling is inside of me. Really dark and really scary. Okay, so this is quite possibly entertaining in my own source. But anyways, I gotta save something realistic. Up and away I go! Whoosh! Oh, that didn't work out the way I wanted. Up and away I go! To find something new, I guess. Whoosh!